Inside the most beautiful luxury homes of 2026, 2 hours of design inspiration. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered what the world's most beautiful luxury homes look like in 2026? Today's luxury homes aren't just about size or expensive materials. They're designed to combine timeless architecture, smart technology, natural light, and comfortable living into one extraordinary experience. In this video, we'll take you inside some of the most inspiring luxury homes of 2026. You'll discover breathtaking living rooms, dream kitchens, spa-inspired bathrooms, elegant bedrooms, outdoor retreats, and the latest interior design trends that are redefining modern luxury. Let's begin the tour. Home Chapter 1. Grand exterior designs. Every unforgettable home begins with exceptional architecture. The most beautiful luxury homes of 2026 feature clean contemporary lines, oversized windows, natural stone, warm wood cladding, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Large pivot front doors, floating entry steps, minimalist water features, and subtle exterior lighting create an unforgettable first impression. These homes feel elegant before you even step inside. Couch and Lamp. Chapter 2. Elegant living rooms. Luxury living rooms focus on comfort and sophistication. Soft neutral color palettes, curved furniture, oversized rugs, textured fabrics, and custom-built shelving create welcoming spaces perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Natural sunlight floods the room through expansive windows while layered lighting provides warmth after sunset. Every detail feels carefully planned without appearing excessive. Fork and knife with plate. Chapter 3. Dream kitchens and dining rooms. Modern kitchens have become the true heart of luxury homes. Large waterfall islands, concealed storage, integrated appliances, natural stone countertops, and handcrafted cabinetry combine beauty with functionality. Nearby dining spaces feature sculptural lighting, elegant furniture, and timeless styling that make every meal feel like a special occasion. The focus is on effortless elegance. Bed. Chapter 4. Hotel-inspired bedrooms. Luxury bedrooms are designed as personal retreats. Layered bedding, plush rugs, upholstered headboards, warm wood furniture, and calming neutral colors create peaceful environments that encourage relaxation. Walk-in closets with custom organization and hidden lighting add practicality without sacrificing beauty. Every element is designed for comfort. Bathtub. Chapter 5. Spa-like bathrooms. Bathrooms in 2026 are inspired by 5-star wellness resorts. Natural stone, floating vanities, oversized mirrors, frameless glass showers, and warm ambient lighting transform everyday routines into relaxing experiences. Freestanding soaking tubs placed near large windows become beautiful focal points while maintaining a sense of tranquility. Luxury is found in thoughtful simplicity. Herb. Chapter 6. Outdoor living spaces. Luxury living extends beyond the walls of the home. Outdoor kitchens, elegant dining areas, infinity pools, comfortable lounge seating, and beautifully designed gardens create seamless indoor-outdoor living. These spaces are perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful evenings surrounded by nature. The connection between architecture and landscape is stronger than ever. Cell phone. Chapter 7. Smart luxury features. Technology is becoming nearly invisible in luxury homes. Voice-controlled lighting, automated curtains, intelligent climate systems, hidden speakers, and advanced security features work quietly in the background to improve everyday life. The goal isn't to showcase technology, it's to create a home that's effortless to live in. Modern luxury is defined by convenience, comfort, and seamless integration. The most beautiful luxury homes of 2026 prove that exceptional design isn't just about expensive materials, it's about creating spaces that feel warm, timeless, functional, and inspiring. We hope this tour has given you fresh ideas for your own home, whether you're planning a full renovation or simply updating one room at a time. Which space inspired you the most, the living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or outdoor retreat? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more interior design inspiration, luxury home tours, and modern decorating ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Great homes are not defined by their size, they're remembered for how beautifully they make people feel.